Facial cleanser. The first step to clear skin is clean skin. The exposed facial cleanser is a rich yet gentle face wash that is soap-free, non-comedogenic, and hypoallergenic. It is packed with skin-clearing ingredients, including a special formulation of alpha and beta hydroxy acids. An olive leaf extract removes the oil and dirt from your face while penetrating your pores to kill acne-causing bacteria and maintaining your skin's lipid layer. Our facial cleanser does not contain any harsh and irritating detergents such as lauryl and laureth sulfates and is an important step in the exposed acne treatment system. Salicylic acid unclogs and shrinks pores. Provitamin B5 regulates oil production. Sage extract prevents dryness and irritation. This rich but gentle face wash is specially formulated to clear skin and prevent blemishes. It combines salicylic acid to deep clean pores and kill acne bacteria, with a soothing blend of sage extract and provitamin B5 to help calm irritation. Exposed facial cleanser is soap-free and hypoallergenic, leaving skin refreshed without stripping its natural moisture barrier. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.